What up, everyone? I'm Donnie, and I'll be representing the good folks over at Stadium Goods located at 47 Howard Street, and I'll be your hostess with the mostest for this episode of Stadium Goods Presents Our Collections. Now for this episode, I chose 3 sneakers that were worn by 3 athletes who people debate all the time about who's the greatest of all time in the NBA. Now, with that being said, let's get right into these sneakers, y'all. Okay, the first sneaker in this video, we have the Air Jordan 7 Raptor colorway. Now, this specific shoe came out in 2012, and this is actually the first shoe that got me into collecting sneakers. I remember when these first came out, I want to say in 08, correct me if I'm wrong. I believe they came out in 08, and I asked my parents to grab me this shoe. Now, they came out in a pack. It was the Jordan 7, the Raptor, and the Orlando. But I was more interested in the Raptor colorway because I liked the colors that it came with. It was gray, black, and of course it had the red and purple on it. Jordan won his 2nd championship in these. I caught Jordan at the end of his career, but I remember this specific shoe because when he won that championship, my dad was running around the house like, yeah, Jordan got 2, he got 2, but I fell in love with the shoe and I wanted the shoe. And when these came out in 2012, I camped out in Kings Plaza waiting for the shoe, and once the mall opened up, I ran to Foot Locker, grabbed the shoe, and the rest is history. I still have the shoe. It's in pretty good condition, and I love it. This is the shoe that started it all for me. Now for the second shoe in my collection, we have the Kobe 8 Christmas. Now for this specific shoe, I like the shoe. Of course, it came out on Christmas. I didn't initially get these when these released. I slept on these, and luckily a few years ago, one of my homies had it. We made a trade, he gave me the shoe, and I love it. It's a low-cut shoe. I normally don't like low-cut shoes, but for this specific shoe, it's very comfortable. It has a zoom sole. You know zoom soles are very comfortable, depending on what kind of foot you have, of course. And the heel support is amazing. But I also believe these were the same shoes Kobe tore his Achilles in, so oof, sad story. But this specific colorway, you know, it got the red, the blue, yellow, infrared on it. Got Kobe's signature on the side, paint speckle on the midsole. The outsole was more yellow, and it didn't glow in the dark, but I thought it did. But overall, man, this shoe is amazing. It's very comfortable. Of course, I wear it just about anywhere, and it's still in good condition. Rest in peace, Kobe. We miss you, man. Now, the last shoe I have in my collection, it is the LeBron 8 Low Solar Red. This is another shoe that I didn't get upon its initial release, but once I got my hands on this shoe, it was like, I did it. This shoe is just amazing. It got hints of red and pink all over the shoe. The black outsole did it for me. This is just giving me Miami vibes. This was when he was in Miami. I'm not 100% sure if he played in this shoe. This shoe is so fire. This shoe is just fire. And every time I wear this shoe, I always get compliments on it. Like, dang, you one of the few that got this shoe, because I know this shoe sold out immediately upon release. But like I said before, I didn't get them when they released initially. I got these from a homie who, he bought them, they were dead stock, and he didn't want them anymore. So he offered them to me. I wore an 11 and a half. I still wear an 11 and a half. And yeah, he gave me the shoe for like definitely under retail. So I got lucky. And yeah, this is probably one of my favorite shoes out of my collection. And there you have it. 3 shoes out of my collection, 3 GOATs. Drop a like on this video. Drop a comment. Let me know which one of these 3 is your GOAT, or if you have a different GOAT. And please, y'all, before I go, stay safe. And that's all for this episode. Donnie out. Peace.